The Whispering Caves of Iceland, tucked deep within the volcanic landscapes of Iceland, far from the bustling towns and glowing hot springs, lies a place steeped in mystery. Known to locals as Hvslandi Heller, or the Whispering Caves, this natural wonder has inspired both scientific curiosity and ancient superstition. From the outside, the caves appear unremarkable, jagged openings carved into black basalt, draped with moss and echoing with the cold winds of the north. But step inside, and something changes. Visitors report hearing soft murmurs, not wind, not water, but voices, whispers. Sometimes it's just a word, other times it's as if the walls themselves are speaking in forgotten tongues. No recording equipment has successfully captured the sounds. Yet people from across the world have entered the caves and emerged with eerily similar experiences. What causes these voices? Some geologists suggest it's the cave's unique acoustic structure, where certain tunnels and mineral walls bounce sound in unpredictable ways. Others believe it's tied to subtle seismic activity, vibrations that are felt in the bones, not heard by the ears. But even with scientific theories, one thing remains strange. No two people ever hear the same thing. One hiker might hear their name whispered in the dark. Another might hear laughter. A third, nothing at all. For centuries, Icelandic folklore has tried to explain it. Some say the caves are home to hidden people, invisible beings from Norse mythology. Others claim they are ancient portals, places where the veil between worlds grows thin. Whichever tale you choose to believe, one thing is certain: the Whispering Caves leave a mark. As you exit, blinking into the daylight, you'll find yourself turning back, wondering what you truly heard. And who is whispering to you? The Eternal Storm of Catatumbo, Venezuela. There are plenty of places across the world where extreme weather events occur, but few are as baffling or relentless as the Eternal Storm of Catatumbo. This bizarre meteorological event happens almost exclusively at the mouth of the Catatumbo River, where it flows into Lake Maracaibo in northwestern Venezuela. Here, for up to 260 nights a year, the skies ignite with blinding flashes of lightning, sometimes lasting up to 10 hours per night. It's the most consistent and intense lightning storm on Earth. Locals have come to expect it, but scientists are still trying to fully explain it. The phenomenon, also known as Relampago del Catatumbo, has been observed for centuries. Sailors used it as a natural lighthouse. Poets wrote about it. And yet, its persistence remains a mystery. Early theories pointed to the geography of the region, with warm, moist air from the Caribbean colliding with cold air from the Andes. Others suggest the methane-rich wetlands around the lake might play a role, possibly fueling the electric storms from below. But the precise mechanics, why this spot, this regularly, are still unclear. Some years, the lightning inexplicably vanishes. Then it returns, as if nothing ever changed. The storm is silent from miles away. No thunder, no wind, just flashes against the night sky, often 15 to 40 times a minute. To many, it feels less like a weather system and more like a pulse, as if the Earth itself is sending signals. It has become a source of national pride and a magnet for tourists, scientists, and photographers hoping to witness the rarest of rhythms, nature's own electric heartbeat. And even if science eventually uncovers every detail, the sight of lightning without thunder, night after night in the same sky, will always feel a little otherworldly. Like a storm the world forgot to end. The singing sand dunes of Badain, Jaran, China. Advances in field recording and environmental sensing have helped researchers better understand the Earth's natural phenomena. But just like the mysteries of space, the planet beneath our feet still holds unexplained wonders. And one of the strangest is found not in the skies, but in the sands. In the remote Badain Jaran desert of China, some of the world's tallest sand dunes rise hundreds of meters into the air. But that's not what makes them special. These dunes can sing. Known as the booming or singing sands, this desert emits low, resonant sounds like a deep hum or even the reverberation of a musical instrument that can last for several minutes. It's been described as eerie, almost orchestral. And despite scientific investigation, we still don't fully understand why. The phenomenon typically occurs when the dunes are disturbed, either by natural shifting or human movement, and especially under dry, sunny conditions. The sound has been measured to reach up to 105 decibels, louder than a subway train, and the frequency range can shift depending on which dune is resonating. So what causes it? The leading theory is that it's due to the synchronized movement of sand grains, which, under the right conditions, can vibrate and slide in such a way that they produce sound similar to a string on a cello. The grain size, humidity, and dune slope all appear to play a role, but the exact mechanism remains disputed. Some scientists point to electrostatic charges generated between the grains. Others believe the sound originates deep within the core of the dunes, triggered by internal collapses that act like mini landslides, creating pressure waves that travel up to the surface. Interestingly, not all sand dunes sing. Only a few in the world exhibit this behavior, in China, Morocco, and parts of North America. But none are as powerful or sustained as the Badain Jaran dunes. Ancient Chinese texts spoke of the dunes as spirits or dragons slumbering beneath the sand. And even today, nomads of the region speak of the desert's voice as something alive, a reminder of forces that still can't be tamed or explained. Whether caused by physics or something we've yet to uncover, one thing is certain. In the heart of this silent desert, the earth sometimes sings.